Hey, what's up everybody? Just wanted to put out a quick little video. We have a home office inside our laundry room, and I just wanted to show you how you could set up a backdrop. So if you're doing lots of conference calls on your computer and you have whatever behind you, a quick little easy fix that you can do to create a backdrop of your choice that's not a virtual backdrop but an actual backdrop. So instead of viewers on a Zoom call, for example, looking at our washing machine, I have this set up where basically a shower curtain is installed using this cable wire. And I'll put a link in the description below. This is a kit. You just purchase it online and you install it. It's really simple. And of course, you can pick out a shower curtain that fits your aesthetic, whatever you prefer that to be. Pretty simple. Obviously, you have to do a little bit of measurement from top to bottom, and you will install the cable into the studs on the wall. So you want that to be nice and secure. You don't want to just attach it to drywall. But as you can see, it slides open pretty easily and covers up that washing machine from work colleagues who don't need to see your laundry and other personal business being done back there. So here it is a little more up close. I really like the aesthetics here. I think it looks really sharp. And again, you're going to want to install this into the stud behind the wall. So use a stud finder, and the instructions in the manual, again in the description below, check out that link. The instructions will walk you through exactly how you do this. Very simple, few screws pretty much, and then they've got that little cover that slides up to cover up the screw holes. Now this is your tension piece. You'll screw or unscrew this to increase or decrease tension in your cable there. The cable itself is nice and smooth, so no hang-ups or hold-ups as you slide your backdrop open or close. So again, simple fix. Your work colleagues will appreciate it, I promise. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Thanks so much.